Unconditional Foods, Episode 5, How to Make Crème Fraîche. Today, we have a very simple 3-ingredient recipe, and the first step is to add half a cup of yogurt to 2 cups of heavy cream. The higher quality cream you use, the better it's going to taste. And the reason why we add yogurt is because it contains lactic acid bacteria, which helps culture the cream. This lowers the pH of the cream and causes the protein to coagulate and become thicker. We also added a few drops of lemon just to give it a bit more acidity. The lemon is totally optional. Give the cream a good stir and cover it with a clean towel and leave it at room temperature for about 6 to 12 hours. You can also substitute the yogurt with 4 tablespoons of buttermilk, which also contains lactic acid. At about the 12-hour mark, you should have a lovely and thick crème fraîche. And if it's not thick, just give it an extra couple of hours and it should be good. Store the ready crème fraîche in jars in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Crème fraîche is basically cultured cream. It is rich and tart in flavor. It's like the French version of sour cream, but more rich. Look at that crème fraîche. Nice antique. If you got to the end of the video, smash that like button. It's people like you that make us continue to make videos. And if you didn't, subscribe and ring that bell button. It helps the channel. Stay tuned and see what we use this crème fraîche for.